Hello friends. Uh, in couple of days I have come up with some new issue in my laptop. My laptop is Lenovo, and in some of the Lenovo laptops there is a issue regarding Windows 10 getting freezed at the startup. So whenever I start my Windows 10 and when it starts up, the entire desktop gets uh, freezed in front of me. I'm unable to click on these buttons. I'm unable to access Windows menu. I'm unable to access any of the icons which are on the desktop. So I'm basically unable to do any operation. So we come across those kind of problems, and when I searched on Google and YouTube for solution, just like you guys, came across that situation is common in Lenovo laptops a lot. So I thought that after finding a solution, it is better to share with you guys. So I have come across with 2 to 3 steps which I have taken care, and due to that I'm able to come up with working of my Windows now. So I will let you know. So first step is accessing MS config. So basically when I'm unable to press this Windows key or getting to this menu, I'm unable to go to settings, or I'm unable to go to run menu, right, or run window. So basically due to such situation, what you can do is you can press Windows E. Okay, when I press Windows E, it opens Windows Explorer. So sometimes it works out, because when my Windows was freeze, I was able to access Windows Explorer with Windows E key. Okay, when I press Windows E key, I was able to access this. So here I can type out the required menu. For example, I want to access MS config. Okay, so I will type out MS config and I will press enter, and I can see that the menu is, or the window of MS config is visible over here. Okay, if in a basic way I want to go, I can go from here. I will press Windows and I will type MS config and go from here to, right, using run also I can go up with. Okay, so when you reach at MS config, basically your first general selection is normal startup by default. So in order to solve our issue, click on selective startup. Okay, and after that go to services. You will see there are different services over here. Click on hide all Microsoft services, and after clicking on hide all Microsoft services, disable the remaining services. Okay, so that is one of the steps you need to do. And the next step is go to startup, and in startup click on open task manager. Okay, when you click on open task manager, so you will come across with a startup tab where there are the softwares which are executed at the start. So if you see one of the software which is not familiar to you, or you can say that you don't need to be started up at the system startup, so you can right click on that app and disable it. Okay, for example, I don't want Sony Xperia to be started up at the system startup, so I've disabled that. So such softwares which are unused by you, mostly you can disable them, and close this window. After that, apply the settings and click on OK. Okay, it will ask for restart. Go for a restart, so that the system's settings will be applied to it. Okay, so in this way you can come up with a solution. This is one of the solution. Try restart. If your Windows is not freezing at all, then this method has been working correctly. Okay, if not, you can go with another remaining two methods. We have couple of methods using which we can come across with this solution. Okay, first method is going to Windows key and settings. When you click on settings, you will get a menu. Inside that, select system settings. Okay, and inside that select power and sleep, and inside that select additional power settings. So this additional power settings sometimes are shown in this side also. So select on that. So some of the user might say, as we are unable to press Windows key, how can I reach to this window? Because I need to press Windows key and go to settings in order to reach over here. So the solution is again with the Windows Explorer. I need to type this complete address inside that. Let me show you. For example, I can press Windows E, and inside that I will type this complete value. Okay, hold on a second. Yeah, so here I can type out complete value, that is control panel slash all control panel items slash power options. So when I type this and I press enter, I will get that window right over there. Okay, so after reaching over here, click on choose what the power button do. After that, click on change settings that are currently unavailable. So when I click on that, these settings will be enabled. So on that, click uncheck the button called as turn on fast startup. So uncheck it out and save changes. Okay, after saving changes, close this window. Next method inside that is, after completing the first method, go for the second one, that is going through regedit, registry editor. When I enter that, it will ask for admission privilege, so provide the admission privilege by pressing S. Okay, so now you can see the register edit over here is there. Another option I can get to register edit is in the form of again Windows Explorer. Press Windows plus E key. In the Explorer, type out regedit. So when I type out that, the register editory administration privilege comes. When I click on S, I will get the register editory over here. Okay, so when you open the register editory, you got couple of folders. Okay, here some folders are there, you can see. Select on H key local machine folder, expand that. When you expand that, you will come across this kind of folders. So in that, select system. Okay, so let me select system. So inside that system, you can see these are the number of folders you can come across. Then click on control set. You can see control set 001. Okay, after that, inside that, click on services. You can see services is there, click on that. Okay, after that, inside that, search for the folder called as appxsvc. You can see that appxsvc folder is there, click on that. And after clicking on appxsvc, you will see there is a register entry called as start. So double click on that, and after double clicking on that, the value of the start registry is 3, change it to 4. Okay, after that, click on OK and close the registry window. After these two methods, restart your system, and you will see that your Windows is no more freezing at the startup. Alright, so these are some of the easy tricks using which you can resolve this issue. You can comment some of the new issues you can come across in this video or in your day-to-day life, so that I can provide you more videos on troubleshooting for such new problems. Thank you so much.